making a case for vision.
A woman sits comfortably.
My vision has been changing, and my Solaris has really helped me be able to see what I need to see.
At a table, she unfolds the legs of Case for Vision Solaris and uses its large screen to zoom, pan, and change color contrast.
Solaris really is helpful when I have to read appointment cards with all those little print things.
She activates the mirror and kickstand for distance viewing.
When I'm watching television, for instance, the weather, I can enlarge the print on the television and actually read the numbers and actually see names of cities.
In the backyard on a snowy winter morning.
I'm really enjoying taking my Case for Vision outside because I can see details. I can look at the trees and see individual branches. Solaris has been such a wonderful new tool. I love it. It has simplified my life.
Whether near or far, there's a case for vision.
On a green background, a cheerful cartoon eye uncurls its legs and blinks. Case for Vision.